chance, LeGrand.
Donut Joe, what are you doing in Ponyville?
Picking up the final, all-important ingredient for my contest entry, Donutopia! And with these super sprinkles, my donuts are gonna dunk all the other lousy desserts, steal first prize, and make my donut shop famous forever! You should see the looks on your faces. Priceless. Oh, Joe!
Favorite for fun and digging a hole, digging hole and digging a hole.
Should we start looking for clues?
Perfect silly question, my dear Twilight, because the obvious answer is...
Yes?
Nope.
Because I know who did it! Lorazzi's known in the spy